Hello everyone, today I'm gonna share to you how to pixel perfect any shape on your Figma. So let's go to the Figma first. So I open a Figma, so you can open any folder or file or anything else. So let me create a rectangular. So when we create a rectangular, you see there is a pixel missing. It's not a pixel perfect. Sometimes it's showing something like that. Sometimes it's showing something like that. So how do you fix it? So there is two way you can fix it. So you can fix it in manually, but it's very time consuming, but it's not give you better result. So because you need to pixel perfect your shape ratio by ratio. So what should you do? So you can open a plugin. So go to the plugin and search the pixel perfect. So this one, you see the name pixel perfect. Okay, select your file or shape or layer. Then you just click run. You see, it's right now, it's totally fine. So right now it's perfectly aligned with the pixel. So there's the simple tricks you can play on your design. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share to your friends and family.